We have a choke now. Grab potential trick of the trade. Keep a racing beat road race header in your truck so that you can put it on as a choke. What is up, Rad Potential YouTube, from this sleety, snowy day in Tennessee? It has been a crazy morning. Been woken up by trees falling. It's a big old tree laying on the ground right there that wasn't there this morning. And there's another tree right there laying on the ground that wasn't there, yesterday, which I heard that one fall. I watched that one fall. And then there's another one that fell down on the other side of my house, right next to my window, that woke me up. So, we're about to see if a holly... Got another one? I heard it. I heard it. Must have just been a branch. We're about to see if a holly equipped rotary truck is going to start, because, well, that's getting into the next video parts of the series. So I want to move this truck, not right there, just in case a tree does fall, it won't hit the truck. But if I move it from there to over there, we'll see how it goes. So yeah, hopefully the doors aren't froze shut. Rotary truck doors, the latch, the button will actually freeze. Man, it is just like crappy. Don't worry, those trees up there fell down earlier in the year. Part of... Oh, door opened. We're in a mud puddle. Okay. Does it even crank? Fan's on. Check out the fan switch in rotary trucks. Fan off. You pull the button. Alright, let's see. Does it start? It is like 30 degrees. Dang it! I'm going to take that as a no. And then we're just going to hope that a tree doesn't hit the truck. Oh, Bajangus Sleddy. What are you doing in the truck bed, huh? Is it cold? Assess the trees. That one may fall, but I doubt it doesn't have enough what do I want to say? Hey, what are you doing? Jump out. You go? You're just cold, ain't you? You don't have to be out here. You could go sit on the porch. There's a perfectly good couch on the porch that you can sit on. Almost got the bed. No big deal. I don't think that skinny tree will go anywhere. Alright, so I decided that I'm moving this truck, which means we're starting this thing in the snow. So, I've got my big truck on it, jumper cables. I'm going to pop the hood, which I just wiped off, and you can see it's snowing pretty dang good right now. I'm worried about this tree right here falling and landing on the bed of this one and probably hitting my truck, so we're going to get a twofer in starting cold vehicles in the snow. But this one's the BridgePort, this one's got the holly. So how do you start it? We're going to take some two-stroke oil and pour it in there. I think it's a little flooded because, it's not my truck. Not a super pro at starting this one. So we got the snow cleared off the hood. We're going to put a little easy start juice in it. It's cold, guys. I know everyone moves to Florida. Woo! She clean in here. So we want to not get any snow inside the engine. best we can. 2T into the primary bowls. Come on. Oh yeah, that's ample. Okay. Of course, my air cleaner cover is now full of snow. Now the engine's getting full of snow. Okay, that ought to evaporate. That's enough down there. This on. Not on. Okay. Put it back down. Okay, guys. What are the odds that it starts? Drop a comment below because it's freaking cold out here. I don't know if you've ever seen me, 6'4" in a mini truck, but this is what it looks like. Come on, girl. This thing's really not enthused to start. You can hear the fuel pump running. It's got gas in it. Okay, maybe it just liked pumping the heck out of it. Yeah, baby. This thing sounds good. You know what would be real unfortunate? Is if this tree just fell like right now. I don't think this thing's gonna idle for long enough for me to move my truck, the big truck, out of the way. So we're gonna have to warm this up for a second. I wonder if I have something heavy enough I can prop up against this throttle and let it. Because there's no choke on this deal. We have a choke now. Okay, now we'll move the big truck. We're gonna move this. It's loud. Turn the idle up that high. It sounds good. Here. While I'm letting that warm up, let's see if my truck even turns over. Mine's notorious for always starting in the snow and cold, but just takes a bit. Once it hits the first lick, you can get the choke on, or this one's got a Delordo side draft, then it'll like start, die, start, die, start, die, and then one of the times it stays running. But it usually always starts. My giant boots don't fit next to these pedals. So close. I'm sorry, car. Heck yeah. Okay, so here's the difference between a street port and a BridgePort. Street port idle. Really mad BridgePort idle. Okay, now we're gonna put the trucks here and here, right there. Let's go. Take my choke off. Now I'm stuck. Hey, look. It's idling all by itself. That's a win. Alright, guys. Got a potential trick of the trade. Keep a racing beat road race header in your truck so that you can put it on as a choke. Now we gotta just hope that we don't get this stuck in the driveway. It sounds so good. It sounds so good. Rap, 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 rap. Oh, that's why you own Rotaries right there. That's why you own Rotaries. My truck died. Dang it. Okay. Mites, how much space you think we need to see out of? Is that good? That's pretty good. It's all fogged up anyways. Okay, take 16. Truck start. Of course it starts. It's got a rad potential tune side draft on it. It's gonna start. Alright, welded diff in the snow. Should be good. We're like buried. Missed the trees. 10-point turn. Not hit the BMW. Missed the RX-7 behind me. Okay. Alright guys, that concludes starting and moving two 1974 Mazda Rotary pickup trucks. One is a full bridge, or one is a half bridge, one is a street port, one Holly, one side draft in the freezing cold weather. So who says Rotaries can't be driven year round? A lot of people. But they can if you know what you're doing. So thank you guys very much for watching. I'm going to go warm my hands up. Subscribe to the channel if you want to learn more about these Rotary cars. and we will see you in the next one. Keep it rad. Buddy, you're cold, huh?